renewables to power their homes. But as we're all being encouraged to consider renewable energy, Adelaide inventor Greg Watson is a step ahead of the rest. As Frank Pangallo reports, Greg's energy-creating invention is not only helping save the environment, it's also creating plenty of local jobs.
Here comes the sun, here comes the sun.
With the SunCube, you can generate electricity from the sun at less half the cost of traditional flat plate technology.
The SunCube is Adelaide inventor Greg Watson's brightest idea yet. It's about to make him a very rich man and a serious global player in the renewable energy market.
This isn't a pipe dream. This isn't this may happen. We have the product, we have the demand, we have the financial backers, are now working to build a 1,000 megawatt per year SunCube factory, which will turn out 3.5 million SunCubes, or one SunCube every 12 seconds.
Greg claims it's going to create 1,000 new jobs in South Australia alone. Not bad for something that started out as this tiny gadget Greg made from a dog bowl and a light shade he called the Sunball, which won him an award on the ABC's Inventors TV show.
It looked really great, but in engineering, production-wise, it just didn't work.
So the new concept?
Well, the new concept was basically produce something that was easy, low cost to manufacture, but more importantly, could be manufactured here in South Australia.
So the SunCube was born.
The unit actually moves and follows the sun, so from the first moment of the sun rising above the horizon till when it sets at night over the ocean, the unit is gathering the maximum amount of electricity. We call this solar harvesting.
The harvesting will be done on solar farms. A pilot project using 100 of the cubes will soon be set up in an outback location.
One of these units will produce about 750 kilowatt hours or 750 units of electricity in a year. A normal South Australian house would use about 4,000 to 5,000 units of electricity. So 6 of these units would just about power most South Australian houses.
For now, the cubes will initially be for commercial use, creating power for electricity utilities. Greg says his revolutionary design, using new state-of-the-art tiny solar cells, which are just 9/millionths of an inch thick, has huge advantages over traditional flat solar panels.
You have a flat panel that's maybe fixed to someone's roof, it only gets ideal positioning on the sun for a couple hours a day. Here we can actually generate electricity literally from the moment the sun comes up till the moment it sets. The biggest advantage that we have is that one SunCube, which would sell for about $1,800 retail, including GST, would produce the same amount of power as $4,500 worth of flat plates.
Greg says his company Green and Gold Energy already has a $350 million order for 1 million cubes and will be doing business with partners in the US, Israel, Spain, India and South Korea. And he reckons he'll have plenty of work for Mitsubishi employees once the car maker closes down.
We see being able to use those same people to help us to form a highly robotized, world-class manufacturing line for SunCubes. So sometimes when one door closes, another door opens.